All right, Hummer and Humvee lovers, I got something awesome to show you guys. This is the 112 scale JJRC C8835 Hummer military climbing crawler. Now lately I've been doing a lot of bashing videos and I figured summer is almost coming to an end. It's gonna start getting really cold out. Why not just, sit back, relax, maybe grab a crawler, trail truck, something like that. I'm a big fan of military vehicles, so I figured this is a good start right here. Now they do advertise this as a full-scale simulation model, all-terrain climbing car. It is ready to run, has four-wheel drive, so yeah, this thing looks pretty cool. It does come in 3 different colors. We got the black one right here, then we got the tan desert one right there, which is the one I have, and then we have a green one, I believe. Yep, there's also a green one, and there's accessories we can get for this thing, like a winch and machine gun, so pretty cool. I definitely picked those accessories up because they looked awesome. All right, let's pull this bad Larry out of here. It's definitely packed tight because the accessories are in here. A lot of stuff in here. As you can see, I got the machine gun and the winch. I'm like ultra excited to install these. I love Humvees, I love Hummers. My friend used to have a H1 back in the days, and that thing was a tank and actually really hard to drive on normal city streets, but hey, it was cool. This thing's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, that's for sure. All right, so here we have a transmitter for this thing. Almost reminds me of the FMS transmitter. It's very similar, and it has the same color plastic. We can see here that it has steering trim, light control, then we have winch control. That is cool. Then an on and off button. That's about it. Very basic controller, but it does have that winch control, which is pretty sweet. Wow. Look at that thing. Ooh. The back popped and there's the battery. So there is where you put it. It is a modular battery. And it looks like it's one of those plug-in deals. Oh wait, no, USB-C. That's kind of nifty. It does have a suspension, so that's nice. We can see here that we have some lights here. We got a nice grill. And the doors and hatch do open somehow. Oh, that's how it opens. Whoa. All right, that's pretty cool. Opens just like that on a magnet. Now let's see how the doors open. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. You guys can see the interior there. That's awesome. The doors are magnetic too. Now, I'm not a crawler professional, but I can tell these tires are, just for like mild crawling. They are definitely a little bit harder than like a sticky crawler tire, but they should do okay for like the mild stuff. They advertise this as a climbing crawler, so, it's just for some simulated driving and whatnot. Flipping over the truck, we can see this thing has a leaf spring suspension, front and rear diffs, and then the motor and transmission housing that's somewhere buried under there. Has a nice little skid guard here. Now included with your Hummer, you got some scale bits like windshield wipers, antennas, mirrors, stuff like that. Then you also have this little like snorkel thing, and you do get mirrors for the mirrors as well. And as you guys seen before, you get a battery and a USB charger for the battery, and a little Phillips screwdriver. And last but not least, the instruction manuals for the truck. These tell you how to put the accessories on and how to get everything working and how to operate it. So definitely want to go through that. All right, so I finished putting all the details on this thing. Let's back it up and check it out. Yeah. All right, couple things I want to mention here. This does rotate, so that is pretty awesome. There is also an ammo box right there. The winch does operate and the line for it is pretty long, so that is awesome. Now for lights, you do have a spotlight and then it flashes as well, so like a strobe effect. And you also have indicators. The winch wasn't too bad to install. It's about 4 screws to drop the bumper, and you do have to take off the body, which is about 6 screws. And then once you do that, you can feed the line for the winch and plug it into the circuit board of the truck. And then you just put it back together. Now, I'm not a model building type of guy, and I had fun doing it. It was very interactive. I do love that endless fury riding. And to open up the rear hatch for the battery compartment, you just push down and it opens up just like that. And then there's your power button. Pretty simple operation. And finally, here's a size comparison against the MN82 Pro. They are similar RCs. Oh no, high center. Yeah, buddy, there we go. Oh, going downhill. Really deep sand. Go, buddy, go. Let's see if I can climb this. Yeah, buddy. Oh, no. All right. Oh, we're going downhill. Nope, we're going to go this way. It's nice and dark. Let's see if we can go back up. It's pretty steep. It has all these pine needles. Now we don't have our head start advantage. Nope, we're good. Yeah, it's climbing. Has that torque. Yeah. All right. Really tall hill here for it. Yes. Oh, had a bad line. All right, there we go. Yeah. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Have I found your limit? Nope, I haven't. There we go, right to the top. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty steep for it. Oh, it's up. All right, you made it up top. Let's go. A lot of big rocks here. Good job. Oh, big rock. You made it to the top. Let's show everybody what you made it up to. Not too bad. Yeah, battery's starting to get weak now. We are going downhill. It's gonna get real soft over here. Oh, all right, power's through. Yeah, real soft right here too. Doesn't help that the battery's low. The question is, can we make it to the car? I don't know. Ah, back to civilization. Oh, come on. I know you're getting weak, but let's go. Come on, Endless Fury. There we go. You should make it now. All right, we made it.